Are you tired of that awkward silence while your brain translates German word for word? Stop treating your mind like a dictionary. Start using the chunking method. When you translate every word, your working memory overloads. You stall, you hesitate, and the conversation moves on without you. Native speakers don't build sentences from scratch. They pull whole phrases from memory. A chunk is a fixed phrase you learn as one unit, not ich möchte plus grammar. Just, ich möchte einen Kaffee. The Goethe Institute calls this learning in chunks because fluency lives in ready-made patterns, not rules. Now the magic layer. Modal particles. Words like doch, halt, and ja. They are tiny, but they carry the attitude of the sentence. Research shows learners struggle more with their feeling than with their grammar. German word order stops feeling scary when you think in frames. Subordinate clause, the verb goes to the end. Question, flip subject and verb. Store these as blueprints, not rules, and your mouth starts moving before your translator wakes up. So today, pick one chunk, one phrase, use it in a real conversation, because fluency is not knowing more words, it is retrieving the right phrase, right now.